Hello everyone. What if I told you computers can hide information using just one instruction? No complicated mathematics, just XOR. And today we will build a tiny encryption system in ARM7 assembly on LPC2148. In this video, you will learn what XOR encryption is, how XOR can both encrypt and decrypt data, complete ARM7 LPC2148 assembly code explanation, and even if you are a beginner in assembly language, you will understand everything. What is XOR encryption? XOR encryption works using a secret value called a key. Consider this original data and let this be our key. When we XOR them, this is the result we obtain. This data becomes unreadable. That is, we can't predict what is our original data just by looking at our XORed result. And the amazing part is, if we XOR again using the same key, we get the original data back. In ARM7 assembly, XOR is performed using the EOR instruction. Hence, that is what you will be seeing in our actual ARM7 code. First of all, let us check if this code has any error. No error, so we'll go ahead with debugging. The very first thing you notice here is an assembler directive area which defines a section of memory to store this information. XOR encrypt is the name I have given to this section of memory. Code indicates that these are nothing but instructions. Read only indicates that any modification should not happen to this content during runtime. Entry indicates where exactly execution starts. Execution starts at the very first label after entry. Start and stop are nothing but labels. End is an assembler directive which indicates the end of source file. Now, let's just see what's happening here. In the very first instruction, we are loading our actual data into the register R0. Then we are loading our key into register R1. Now, when we are trying to encrypt this particular data, we need to perform XOR operation between the data and the key. So let's see what result we obtain. It is nothing but 55. Okay. Now let's assume I want to decrypt this particular data which is currently stored in R2. I need to perform just one task, that is XOR between obtained data with our key. And the result we obtain is nothing but our original data. Then we jump to an infinite loop. Okay, that is stop branch to stop. That's all about this particular code.